Most guys see Vaseline as that little jar sitting somewhere in the bathroom. You probably only think about it when your lips get dry. But there's a reason this simple product has been around for so long. Used the right way, it can help you look more polished without adding another 10 products to your routine. And some of these tricks are so simple, you'll wonder why you never tried them before. Let's start. Number 1. Make your fragrance last longer. You can spend $300 on a fragrance, spray it before leaving the house, and 2 hours later, it's barely noticeable. What's the point? Here's a simple trick. Take a thin layer of Vaseline and apply it to your pulse points before spraying your fragrance. Your neck, your wrists, behind your ears. Then spray your cologne directly over those areas. The Vaseline gives the fragrance something to cling to, helping the scent stay around longer instead of fading so quickly. And there's another way you can use this trick. Take a small amount of Vaseline, soften it, add a few sprays of your favorite cologne, and mix everything together. Let it cool and solidify again. Now you've made your own solid fragrance. It's small, portable, and easy to carry when you don't want to bring an entire bottle with you. Number 2. Clean up your eyebrows. Your eyebrows can change the way your entire face looks. They frame your eyes, add definition to your features, and can make you look much more put together. Take a small amount of Vaseline and warm it between your fingers. Then gently brush it through your eyebrows. It helps keep the hairs in place and gives them a subtle sheen, making them appear slightly thicker and healthier. And don't stop there. If you have random hairs sticking out around your hairline or beard, you can use a tiny amount there too. Number 3. Give dry hair a cleaner look. Now let's talk about your hair. If it looks dry, dull, or frizzy, you don't always need another heavy styling product. Here's what you do. Take a tiny amount of Vaseline. And when I say tiny, I mean it. Rub it between your palms until there's barely anything left on your hands. Then gently glide your hands over your hair. Focus on the dry ends and the areas where your hair gets frizzy or sticks out. It can give your hair a smoother, more hydrated looking shine and help keep everything under control. Number 4. Fix those dry lips. You can have a fresh haircut, great skin, a good outfit, a nice fragrance, and then you smile and your lips are cracked and peeling. Instantly, the whole look feels less polished. Your lips are a small detail, but they're one of the most visible parts of your face. So here's an easy fix you can do before bed. Take your toothbrush and wet it with a little warm water. Then gently brush your lips for about 20 seconds. Don't press hard. You're simply getting rid of the loose, dry skin. After that, apply a thin layer of Vaseline. Leave it overnight. By morning, your lips should feel softer and look healthier. Number 5. Wake up looking fresher. You know those nights when you tell yourself you're gonna sleep early, then you start scrolling, and suddenly it's way past midnight? The next morning, your face usually tells the story. Your skin looks tired, certain areas feel dry. Vaseline isn't going to magically remove dark circles, but it can help your skin hold onto moisture while you sleep. Before bed, wash your face normally. After that, take a very small amount of Vaseline and apply it to dry areas, including your cheeks and around your cheekbones. Then, in the morning, wash your face with cool water. Your skin can look smoother, softer, and more hydrated, almost like you actually got a full night's sleep. And that's it. 5 simple ways to get more out of one product you probably already have.